Try it. It literally just tastes like coffee. Alright, so now let's just get the cream. Boom. So good. So next thing, as you can see, is Urban Bourbon. Urban Bourbon contains burnt caramel ice cream with almonds, fudge flakes, and bourbon caramel swirls. So, alright. All I can taste for this one is like caramel, but it tastes really freaking good. That tastes like something that you would straight out get out of Starbucks. So this will be the end of the video, guys. If you did enjoy the video, please like, share, and subscribe if you do. Comment down below what you think about this video. This won't be the last video I make of this, but yeah, tune into the next episode. Next episode I'll be trying the truffle. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye.